In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the 1password extension to your Chrome browser. This process shouldn't take more than 5 minutes, and it will greatly enhance your online security by allowing you to easily store and access your passwords. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the 1password official website to get everything set up. Open your browser and navigate to the 1password downloads page for Windows. As you land on the page, you'll see various options available. Look for and click on the Resources section. This part of the website offers different tools and support articles, but right now, we're focused on downloading the browser extension. Now, within the resources available, locate the option for a browser extension. Click on it, and this will bring you to the browser-specific section where you can download the extension. You should see an option labeled Download 1password in your browser. Click on that link. This action will take you to another page to select your preferred browser for the extension. Since we are specifically looking to install it on Chrome today, find and click on the Download for Chrome button. This will lead you to the Chrome Web Store, where the 1password extension is housed. Once you're there, you'll see an option to add it to your Chrome browser. Simply click on Add to Chrome, and within a few moments, the extension should be ready for use. Now that the extension is installed, it's important to know how to utilize it effectively. After installing, you'll likely be prompted to sign in to your 1password account. If you already have an account, simply sign in. If not, you can create a new account easily. Once logged in, you can start saving your passwords and other sensitive information securely. The extension will integrate smoothly with your browser, offering to save login credentials automatically whenever you log into a new site. This functionality not only increases security, but also makes logging in a breeze across the web. And there you have it. Password is now conveniently accessible in your Chrome browser. This setup ensures you're equipped with top-notch security features, helping protect your sensitive online information with ease. If you ever need to manage your passwords or access them quickly while browsing, just look for the 1password icon in your browser's toolbar. We've reached the end of our tutorial today. Remember, keeping your data secure is a crucial aspect of navigating the digital world we live in, and using tools like 1password can significantly enhance your online safety. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.